So today I'm going to share you 5 steps on how you can earn 100,000 pesos in freelancing every month, consistently every month. So if you're interested about that, continue watching. Hi, inspired people! Welcome back to the Kim Show. So this channel is all about business, finance, and personal development. If you're interested about topics like this, then consider subscribing. So today, I was mindlessly scrolling on my feed in Facebook, and then I saw this video from Last Daily. This is very timely because our topic today is about this. And so I just wanna flash yung favorite part of the video ko. So this, ayan, i-flash natin.
2 years to get the same number of jobs back. So in this free time, you must spend it on education. Get a skill that can make money fast.
Get a skill that can make money fast.
As a business myself, I'm still looking to hire people, but people with internet skills. People who know how to edit videos. People who know how to run Facebook ads, build websites, create a sales funnel. People with an IT degree, not a philosophy degree. And these skills are going to be so much more important in the future. Freelance. With 20% unemployment in the US, it's going to be a long way to get back to 5%. So this is the time to create your own job. Go online and teach the piano. Go online and offer your design services. Traditional city jobs are pretty much dead.
So yeah, that's it. So today's topic is about freelancing. So para sa yung video na to, if nawalan ka ng trabaho at naghahanap ka ng pagkakakitaan on the side, or hindi ka siyang income mo para sa pang-araw-araw na gastusin sa bahay, or kaya naman gusto mo lang magkaroon ng added stream of income. In my previous video, I actually talk about this. I'm gonna show that a bit as well. So a bit of storytelling lang. Bali nung May of this year, naka-receive ako ng email sa company. And then it says there na ipopost muna nila yung employment contract ko until September. So, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko dun sa duration ng time na yun? Ayoko naman tumenga. Nag-isip ako, ano bang pwedeng productive na gawin na makaka-earn ako? So, search naman ako sa Google, how to make money online. Ang dami kong tinry. Dropshipping, Amazon FBA, freelancing, lahat yung mga iba't ibang ways on how to earn online. May mga nag-succeed, pero may mga hindi din nag-succeed. So, nag-burn din ako ng ilang mga cash. Pero naniniwala kasi ako na kapag nag-work sa iba, then bakit hindi mag-work sa atin, di ba? Pwede na nag-fail tayo because we're not doing it right. So, ganun yung aking mentality. And so ngayon, gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo on paano ako kumita on freelancing just by learning the skill fast and offering it to different businesses. So be sure to watch until the end of the video because I'm going to share to you on the process and how you can earn 100,000 pesos monthly, month by month on freelancing. So yon, if you feel this video is very helpful, remember to like this video. The lady algorithm will love it. And then share it with your friends and family if they're also looking for a side income or a side gig that they can start or a side business. Remember, sharing is caring. Okay, so define muna natin what is freelancing. I actually searched it in Google, and according to Google, it says here, essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than for a company. While freelancers do take on contract work for companies and organizations, they are ultimately self-employed. Freelancers are actually self-employed people. They are directly offering services or skills to businesses or to people. I remember I did the video before where I explained about freelancing. So this is the video if you want to check on that. The title is 5 ways on how you can earn 50,000 monthly. So I'm gonna give examples on people are earning.
These are examples of people who are giving their testimony that they're actually earning at least 50,000 pesos in freelancing. As you can see, there's $2,500, 150,000 pesos, $100,000, a 7-figure client, a 10K project on Instagram, and for this one, you can see that he's earning for just August $16,000.
pause yung employment contract ko. So ngayon, nag-aaral ako ng skill. Ito ay Amazon FBA. And then, as fast as after, actually, nag-January ako nag-start mag-aral ng skill na to. Pero, hindi siya tuloy-tuloy kasi may full-time work pa ako that time. And then, nung nawala nga yung work ko, na-pause siya, naka-start na rin ako mag-offer ng skill na to sa mga businesses by June. Kasi by May, nag-pause na yung, by middle of May, nag-pause na yung contract ko eh. So, by June, nakakuha na ako ng premium client. So, when we say premium client, it's actually $1,000 and above. And I was able to get 2 premium clients by that time na kaka-learn ko lang din naman talaga ng skill na yun. So, it's really possible. And I see a lot of people na in the span of a month, nakaka-learn lang nila yung skill na to. Nakakakuha na sila ng mga premium clients. And so, number 3 naman is do your outreach. So, when we say outreach, nire-reach out natin, from the word outreach nga, yung mga, yung target market natin. So, pupunta tayo sa Facebook groups kung saan sila tumatambay, may message natin sila sa LinkedIn, or sasenda natin sila ng mga cold emails. So, any other way na kung saan mo sila makakausap, makikita, kung tumatambay sila sa specific group, di puntahan mo yung group na yon, mag-post ka doon, mag-value posting ka, mag-comment ka sa mga post nila, i-message mo sila, asking them about their current pain, what their challenges, and if you can offer your help to them. So, for example, dito, magsisearch ako ng isang Facebook group on restaurant owners, and then, or about restaurant.
See, you can actually see a Restaurant Owners Association, Hotel and Restaurant Association of the Philippines. You can start here, join this group, then see who are people commenting, liking, if you can see the participants on it, and then you can engage to them or ask questions, offer help.
Ngayon, sa LinkedIn, makakita ka rin ito. I'm going to show you how you can search for restaurant owners, for example.
Just type for restaurant. Okay. And then, what you can do is to filter by location. Syempre, that will be Philippines. And ito yung example natin kanina if you want to target yung mga restaurant owners kasi currently they're having a hard time and you can offer your skills to them, or you can learn a skill that can, benefit them, give value to them, and you can charge them for this. So, and then all filters, and then go, check nyo lang yung hospitality and food and beverages, just close this, and then apply. Okay, so there. Makikita nyo mga restaurant manager, yan. Pwede nyo i-message. If you want, you can go directly to the restaurant owners para mas mabilis yung or mas shorter yung pagko-close ng deal since sila yung decision maker.
And then, send the strategy outline, and then you get paid. And then, how you can do it consistently is you repeat the process. Or, if you can go for a retainer, when you say retainer, meron kang, kunyari, pumayag si client of $2,000 per month, and it's a retainer. So, every month, papayaran ka niya ng $2,000, offering this service to them. So, there guys, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea on how to start this kind of business or this kind of side income. I would say that this is really something helpful, especially in this time. You can work whenever and wherever you want on the time that you want. It's really flexible, and for me, it's really scalable in a sense that when you get more clients, why not hire, assistants or people that can help you or delegate and leverage. So there's actually a lot of possibility about this kind of business. And so, if you want to know more about that, actually, yung mga discuss ko sa video na to, natutunan ko lang din sa course ni John Pagulayan. He's the master of freelancing in the Philippines. And you can check out his free group. It's called the Freelance Movement Workshop to know more about this space. So there guys, I hope it's really helpful and informative for you. And if you feel that this is something that help you to start, a freelance or a side income, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment this video. It will help me a lot, and the lady algorithm will love it. And yeah, there. Keep safe, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace.